Hi everyone and welcome to this lecture. As I promised you before, in this lecture I will be taking you deeper into the Facebook ads campaign objectives. So let's go now to Facebook Ads Manager and let's click on create a new campaign. The first thing Facebook will ask you to do is to choose the objective of your campaign. Many people treat this step lightly. They pick any objective and move on. Well, this is a very bad thing to do, because if you choose a bad objective, you could end up throwing money in the garbage. And if you choose the right one, you can end up making a lot of money. In this lecture, we will discover the different main objectives of a Facebook ads campaign, and I will show you the difference between all these objectives and tell you which one is the best for your e-commerce business. Objective number 1, brand awareness. The simplest translation of this objective is increase the awareness of your brand by reaching people who are more likely to be interested in it. If you want to establish a brand, this objective is beneficial for you. But if you are beginning in dropshipping and e-commerce, this is not the right objective for you. Well, yeah, you can always create a small $10 campaign to market your store in front of your potential customers. It will not hurt, but it will not bring you sales. Objective number 2, reach. The simplest translation of this objective is show your ad to the maximum number of people. This objective is not designed for e-commerce. We don't want to show our ad to maximum number of people. We want to make sales. A campaign with this objective will cost you a lot. Facebook charges you for each 1,000 impressions. So the more you show your ad to people, the more you pay. As I told you in a previous lecture, dropshipping is about putting the right product in front of the right person. So if we want to make sales, we don't want to reach a huge number of people. What we want instead is to reach people who are interested in our product and who are willing to buy. If you have some piece of news to spread, the reach objective might be good for you, but this is not our case now. Objective number 3, traffic. The simplest translation of this objective is send more people to a destination on or off Facebook, such as a website, an app, or a messenger conversation. If you choose traffic as an objective, Facebook will send a lot of traffic to your store. At a first sight, this might look interesting, but let's dig deeper. When you pick this objective, Facebook will search in his directory for people who like to click on ads and will show your ad in front of them. Well, don't be surprised. At the end, that's what you asked Facebook to do. You asked Facebook to give you traffic, but this is not what you want, right? Because we all know that people who click on ads will not necessarily buy your product. So targeting people that click on your links is not the most optimized option. The traffic you want is the one that clicks on ads, then buys your product. Objective number 4, engagement. The simplest translation of this objective is get more post engagements, page likes, event response, or offer claims. If you use the engagement objective, Facebook will show your ad to people who particularly engage a lot with content. This means that Facebook will show it to people who like ads, write comments, share content, and tag their friends. Well, yeah, this is super cool. We all need and want engagements on our ads. Well, don't be surprised now when I tell you that this is not true. We want more engagement, right? But we want engagement from people who usually buy. People who usually engage with ads are not necessarily buyers. So this objective is not the optimal objective, and it will not bring you massive sales. However, sometimes we use this objective in some of our campaigns. We use it when our objective is to get social proof. We spend $20 in order to get likes and comments and shares in some of our ads, because we know that social proof will definitely increase the value of our products and increase conversions. You can also use this objective to test your product. So if you set up a campaign with engagement objective for 3 days and you spend $10 per day and you got 4 sales, then your product might be a winner. Don't expect this objective to bring you direct sales, because when you ask Facebook for engagement, Facebook will give you engagement, not sales. Objective number 5, lead generation. The simplest translation of this objective is collecting your viewers' email. We will not explore lead generation now because it's not what we want. Of course, it's better if we can collect emails and start marketing to our store using an email marketing system. However, this is not our goal for now. Now we are not optimizing our campaigns to generate leads because our aim is to make sales. Objective number 6, conversion. The simplest translation of this objective is drive valuable action on your website, in your app, or in Messenger. Pay attention. Conversion objective helps you drive valuable actions on your website. And what are the valuable actions on your store? What are the actions you want people to do on your store? Well, I'm quite sure you want people to add to cart and then to purchase. If you choose this objective, Facebook will optimize your campaign to target people who do valuable actions on website. And this is exactly what you want. So, to sum everything up, for dropshipping and e-commerce, we would always go for a conversion objective. But if you prefer to do something else, you can begin an ad campaign with engagement objective to get some social proof and then move later to conversion. In the coming lectures, I will show you how to do this. I know you might think this is simple. Well, it's not. So don't rush out to your ads manager now and start your campaign. Stay with me, you have so much to learn through the coming lectures. Things that you might think are simple when in reality they are the reasons why some people master Facebook ads and excel while others fail. Hope you enjoyed this lecture. In the next one, we will dig deeper in the ad set level and you will learn new awesome things.